Hi, this is Victoria Turbiñes, Senior Lecturer at the University of Alicante, Spain. Joined to my colleague María José González from the same university, we have signed the manuscript titled YouTubers and Community Management Strategies to Revista Latina de Comunicación Social. The aim of the study is to identify the indicators that promote the creation, maintenance and growth of a community of users on YouTube channels. The video creators with more than 1,000 subscribers, 10,000 visits, and a minimum of 4,000 viewing hours participate in the program for YouTube partners with the aim to monetize his channel by introducing advertising according to the YouTube condition in 2018. It is then when the YouTuber becomes an expert about specific brands and manifests said role by testing, using opinions, comparing, discovering curious aspects, and recommending video games products and experiences. In essence, the YouTuber is an influencing prescriber of products, services, or ideas authorized by his expertise in the subject, generating experiences on his frequent massive audience characterized by humor, the entertaining capacity and the presence of brands that look for spaces sit with the credibility to communicate in a more efficacious and emphatic manner. YouTubers are successful in creating an authentic community around their channel. A community of practices is defined as a group of people who share concerns, problems, or passion about the same subject, so to delve into its knowledge and win expertise through continuous interaction, in opinion of Wenger, McDermott, and Snyder in 2002. The sharing of interest, content, virtual space, regulation about behavior and social conversation is the reason to be of a virtual community. The community exists thanks to what it shares and decides how and when it is shared. It is an ecosystem where every element feedback one another and the relationships are based on what is being shared: opinion, emotional appreciations, proposals, new contents and ideas in the context of an environment that enables great doses of entertainment based on humor. Aware about the relevance not only of the production but also of the content management, YouTube openly promotes the YouTuber's activity through its Creators Academy initiative. In this space, very inspiring orientations I provided for future YouTubers based on the feedback and identification of recommended practices in every category. The sample is composed of 1,000 videos, 10 videos for each one of the 10 channels, with more subscribers from the ranking of 2,850 accounts with more subscribers in Spain provided by Social Blade in September 2018. The selection criteria of the channels included YouTuber channels in Spanish with more subscribers and presence of monetization. The fieldwork runs from 14 September 2018 to 22 February 2019. And some YouTubers with a high number of followers, such as Auronplay, among others, could not be included because they did not publish 10 videos or did not achieve a higher number of views during the fieldwork of the study. The following research questions are formulated. The first one is, what are the aspects that characterize the YouTuber and what elements of the channel manifest them? And the second one is what elements characteristic from a community of users can be found on YouTubers' channels. Finally, the third one is what strategies related to the creation and maintenance of social communities can be identified in the most viewed channel. We consider that the community management strategy implemented by a YouTuber is configured by two dimensions: the indicators that encourage and foster participation, and the types of YouTuber audience interaction. The aim is to identify, describe, and compare the community management styles in YouTubers' channels. The study allows to identify 4 strategies of community management deployed by YouTubers: fidelization of the audience, community widening, generation of expectation about future contents, and particular management of the channel community tab. Indicators and valid practice are revealed to comprehend the phenomenon of YouTubers communities, a mass phenomenon with only 15 years of existence and unstoppable growth. We hope you enjoy yourself reading this manuscript. Thank you for your attention.